everyone, welcome back to MelBeezee Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new. Tonight for dinner I made $1 million chicken. This is actually my first time making it. So I used chicken tenderloins. I seasoned the chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I mixed cream cheese, mayo, shredded Colby Jack cheese, bacon bits, and ranch seasoning. The original recipe that I found, it didn't call for ranch, but they did suggest it as like an alternative, like if you want to change it up a bit. So I added ranch, the seasoning packet. And then I spread that over the chicken. I baked it in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. It's gonna be like 30 to 40 minutes, just depends on how thick your chicken is. Oh, and I also sprinkled on some cheese. The Colby Jack, I sprinkled more on top. And then we have just some steamed broccoli I seasoned with a little bit of salt. To drink, I have sparkling water. This is lime flavor. The kids are eating the same thing. We were originally gonna have it with mashed potatoes, but we ran out. So no mashed potatoes, just broccoli. And then you guys know I like everything spicy, so I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper flakes. How is it, you guys?
Very good.
Very good? So this is basically like the crack dip that I make. It's actually the exact same as the crack dip, but it's just on top of chicken. Ooh, this just came out. Oh my god, you guys. This is so good. I'm gonna leave the recipe link down below if you guys want to try it. And then just add a packet of ranch seasoning, because the recipe didn't have that. Oh wow. It's so good. You could even shred this chicken and then just eat it as a dip. This is so good, and it was so easy to make. Also, season the chicken with salt and pepper, because in the recipe they didn't say to season the chicken, but I feel like the chicken wouldn't be as good. Oh, and also I didn't put as much bacon as they called for. Only because I used bacon bits, and those are really salty. And then since I already seasoned the chicken. It's good, huh?
Yeah.
There's one more piece, whoever wants it. Oh, and this is keto friendly. It's low carb. So if you're doing low carb or keto, this is for you. So today is Thursday when I'm filming this. I had a day off today. I have a day off today and tomorrow, actually. So happy Thursday, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. You guys, I can't get over this. It's so good. You guys have to try it if you haven't tried it yet. I was supposed to go to Costco today, but I ended up not going, so I'll probably go tomorrow. Also, I have an update on my weight loss. in case you're curious, I'm down 9 pounds. So I'm really happy about that. Because if you remember, well, if you didn't see the video where I talked about it, last month I actually gained 11 pounds, you guys. Like when the quarantine first started, I actually gained 11 pounds. So now I lost 9 of those 11 that I gained. So I have 2 more pounds to go, and then I want to lose an additional like 15 pounds. I just want to get below, well, right now I'm 202. I want to get like around, I want to get to like 190 or 185. Hmm? 1 pound? Me?
Yeah, get down to 1 pound.
I can't get down to 1 pound. That's impossible. That's not even healthy. You want more?
Yeah, I'll get it.
I can't believe how good this is, you guys. I did not expect it to be this good. I actually had very low expectations. I don't know why. I should have known it would be good because it's exactly like the dip that I make, the crack dip. It's the exact same ingredients. But it's warm and so good. What do you guys rate it out of 10? What do you give it?
10 out of 10.
How about you, Ness?
9.
AJ said 10 out of 10. Vanessa said 9 out of 10.
But I would eat it again.
Is it too much cheese for you? She doesn't like a lot of cheese. It's too fancy?
No, too cheesy again. Yeah. Too cheesy.
You can scrape off the cheese.
Yeah, no, I still have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, she doesn't like a lot of cheese. The mixture that I put, like the cream cheese mixture, it was a lot. It was pretty thick. Excuse me. So good. Last bite. So good. Alright guys, that was so good. I highly recommend this dish if you've never tried it before. I'm going to leave the recipe linked in the description box. And let me know if you've tried this before, if you like it, or let me know if you end up trying it. Let me know what you guys think. So that is it, you guys. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.